1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 1, 12. What? Sarah, I was counting them. Now I have to do it again. 1, 2.
Is she still counting them? I will show you easy way, sister. Let's count them by colors.
Okay.
Good job.
How many colors we have?
25 green, 11 red, 7 purple, 12 orange, and 9 yellow.
Sister, you ate 11.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey guys! Today we're making awesome paper crafts for school. I was just about to...
Sue! Sue, the cable monster got me! It's huge! It's wiggly! It's like a wire kraken!
Oh no! Technology is eating Sammy alive! Quick, someone! Press the undo button.
For real though, look at this mess! How am I supposed to carry this to school?
Relax, Drama King. I'll fix it. Watch closely. Craft magic incoming! Done! Tamed, organized, and beautiful.
Organized, yes, but it still needs our brand! More color, more sparkle, more wow! Wait, what is this thing? Perfect! Wow, that's awesome! I had just turned boring into cool!
Yep, craft powers activated.
Ah! The monster is back!
Relax, Sammy. It's just me. And these googly eyes.
Googly eyes, instant win! And I made this!
Nice! Okay, Sammy. Now you're officially school ready.
If only I had something fun for recess. Not wires, though. Never wires again! Huh? That looks like fun! I should just skip over it, right? Ah!
He's so clumsy.
Ouch! Ugh, okay. No wires then. Oh no! Sue! I accidentally broke this thing and can't put it back together!
Sue to the rescue. Nick and Judy, don't worry. I got you. First, we cut out a piece of cardboard. Actually, we need 2 of them. Next, Sammy, helper mode on.
Hi-ya! Yeah, this craft looks naked. It needs clothes and color. Lots of color.
Great point. And nice touch with this purple shade. And ta-da!
Sue, this puzzle is next level! Haha!
So here is how it's done. Okay, Master Crafter, what's with this?
That's super simple! Tape these thingies here, here, and there!
Like this? Am I doing it right?
Yep, perfect! Now flip it! Add more tape! That's right! And here's the other side of the frame!
All right, done! So is this supposed to be new blinds for your room?
What? No way! I admit it looks like it, though. Here, check it out. Technocraft magic! Woohoo!
Whoa, I want to try doing that too! Whoosh! Hey, it's not working. Okay, I'll just do it classic style. Aww, what a cute little unicorn! Wait, our teacher, Miss Sally, loves unicorns. Oh no, we forgot about her birthday! Sammy, focus! I was supposed to wrap the gift!
Relax, you're talking to a pro. I once wrapped a gift for a princess of TV Dabble herself!
Really? Well, I hope it looked good. Now, am I doing it right at all? Well, it looks interesting. What's next?
Next, let's fill that perfect wrapping with candy.
Here comes jewelry, too.
Does a teacher need candy? Seriously. I mean, I'm hungry.
Nice try, Sammy. I'd better close it up to keep the candy safe.
Then I'll just go give it to Miss Sally.
Sammy, her birthday is next week. This stays with me for now. far, far away from your sweet tooth.
Fine, I've got another super top secret spy idea for our next craft.
So, spy idea, huh?
Ah! Don't sneak up on me like that, Sue. Here, we will make a secret spy watch.
What's so secret about it? Except maybe the folding technique.
There will be a hidden candy compartment. Duh.
For sneaky snacking? Cool, but we need more parts.
I got what you asked for.
Nice! Here's what you asked for.
Nicely done. Mission complete, Agent Sue. Hey, I was undercover.
And I just want to finish this craft. Let me try. Wow, super comfy.
Agreed.
Sammy, you ate everything?
Yeah, I couldn't help it. Uh-oh, pencil emergency! We need a sharpener!
Easy. Just give me a sec.
Please tell me it won't make a mess. I'm done with shavings.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Now, we need decorations.
It looks like... Exactly! Ta-da!
I'm not sure how this is gonna help.
Just use your imagination and a bit of magic.
Wow, your creativity is wild, especially when food is involved.
It looks delicious. Aww.
Sammy, you okay?
Tie me up before I eat it.
So silly.
Aw, Sue, it looks so cute.
And the best part? No more messy shavings.
Nice! I got a super sharp pencil. But I still can't draw a straight line.
Do you really need a straight line?
Well, yeah. I gotta make a birthday card for Miss Sally.
You're right. And I've got an idea. We'll make a paper ruler for perfect lines.
Love the idea, Sue. Don't forget to reinforce it.
Good call, Sammy.
This ruler needs a cuteness upgrade. Bears are cute, aren't they?
That's true. I simply love pandas.
Me too, but this doesn't look like a panda. Is it a rare blue panda?
I love it. Special panda needs special markings. All done. Time for the birthday card.
Perfect timing! I got everything ready to go.
All right, guys. This card is gonna be special. Watch closely.
Woohoo! Let's go! Best card ever!
Thanks for your smile. But just one emoji isn't enough.
Agent Sam is on the mission! Ew, it's sour. Anything for craft?
Great job! But we need even more.
Come on, push through.
I'm trying. I can't feel my slime. Ugh.
And done. Ready to test it?
Red face with a tongue? Now, squinty eyes? This is so cool, Sue! If only we could save these funny moments. Wait! We need a camera! And it has to be my favorite color!
Sure thing. The first part's ready. Sammy, can you?
Haha! Gotcha! It's a paper snake!
Oh yeah? Take this! Paper snake attack! Okay, truce. Hand over the rest parts.
Roger that! This selfie stick is perfect!
Maybe. Not for selfies, though.
And I made the film! Here you go!
It meets color. Say cheese, everybody! Isn't it just perfect for saving happy memories?
Don't forget the back cover.
Got it! And all the buttons, too! Here comes the lens. Well, should we test it? Hey, it's not working.
Give it another try with the flash.
Yes! Look at all these photos! Aren't they just amazing?
Wow, we made so many school crafts today.
True, but school isn't just homework.
Exactly! It's also summer break! Swimming in the ocean, cute fish everywhere. Oh, hello you. Say cheese. Oops, gotta go. Sue, here are my underwater photos for our last craft.
Oh, I love your idea. Guys, we'll make ocean squishies to remember the summer by.
Don't forget water, too.
Of course! Only the cleanest, splashiest water, straight from the heart of the ocean for our cuties. Into the baggies.
Label each one, Sue.
You got it! And done!
Woohoo! So squishy!
Thanks for crafting with us, friends. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We would have to wish on a shooting star, not a regular star. Otherwise, I'm not sure it would be strong enough.
Yeah, I totally agree. We'll get Ellery's airplane and fly it right up to a star. Make a wish for Cap to get better so he can come out and watch the meteor shower with Plum. Why, Spearmint, you're brilliant.
You can never be too careful, Bird. Even though the lilybuds are getting ready to watch the meteor shower, one still might be lurking about. Oh, just my stomach. I haven't eaten anything all day. I've been saving myself for the feast that's waiting for me inside the Buttercup kitchen. A star already? Perfect. I'll make my first wish. Please. Cake and
Making a picnic, putting in some grapes and some very good cheese.
Bucky? Is that you?
Hi, Ellery. Of course it's me. Who else?
My furry friend. I have never before heard your beautiful singing voice.
But I sing all the time.
Yes, I know, but not with those clever words.
Oh, thanks, Ellery. I like to make up songs. They're usually about food.
Food? Oh, but food is so boring.
I thought food was your favorite thing.
Not at all. Songs are. And I'd like to hear all of your songs as one music lover to another.
Really? You would?
Of course. Oh, but I see you have a picnic basket to deliver. Pity. I'll just be on my way.
Oh, I just have to take this to the lilybuds in the meadow. You could wait here for me in the buttercup.
Here? All by myself? Well, it's not exactly cozy, but if you insist.
Sure, I'll be right back.
And I'll be right here, gathering up all Fawn's secret supplies of food.
A few more steps, Plum, and ta-da!
Isn't that Mr. Ellery's airplane?
It was, but he gave it to us. I thought we could fly up to the stars so you could make a wish for Cap to get better.
Me? Go up in that thing?
Well, I'd be with you the whole time. I've never flown a plane, but I ride Spearmint. It can't be much different.
The two couldn't be more different. You don't have to, Plum, if you don't want to.
So what do you say? For Cap?
For Cap? Okay, Zinnia.
Woohoo! Spearmint, let's get this plane ready to fly.
Are you sure about this, Zinnia? I mean, can you even get close to a star in a plane? And if you do, won't it be really hot and maybe even sticky?
What are you two talking about?
Oh, nothing, Plum. Everything's fine. Spearmint, wind up the propeller, please.
Bird, my wish came true. I got the buttercup all to myself. Now, if I was Thorn, where would I hide the good food? There must be something somewhere. Aha! I knew it! See, Bird? Bird? It's suddenly so quiet and lonely. Yes, I know you're empty, but I'm not staying here one more minute.
Are we flying? How come we still see you?
You haven't left the ground. Well, We tried. Everyone out.
Can you give us a push?
Oh, fine. But it probably won't work.
You okay back there, Plum?
Yes, I'm just a little high up.
Is that?
Plum and Zinnia. A star! I have to make my wish. Higher! I need to get higher!
Plum, stay in your seat. Hold on tight, Plum. We're coming in for a landing.
It's too dark for Zinnia to land. She can't see the ground. Even the moon isn't enough light.
Boob flowers! You need to grow some boob flowers. They'll reflect the moonlight.
Zinnia, the flowers! Follow the flowers!
I wish for Plum to have a safe landing.
Plum, jump!
Are you okay, Plum?
Cap, you're better! My wish came true.
Zinnia, I wish for her to have a safe landing. Zinnia, are you all right?
I'm okay, thanks to all of you. Oh, Plum, my wish came true.
Mine too.
Spearmint, I'm sorry that...
Didn't listen to me. That's all right. At least now you know how to fly a plane.
I'll stick with my trusty steed.
Thank you, Buggy. Aren't you going to stay and watch the meteor shower? No, thank you, Chef Thorne. I'm meeting Ellery back at the Buttercup. You left Ellery alone in the Buttercup? I knew that chipmunk would use this night to sneak into my kitchen.
Well, you're wrong, Thorn. I'm here.
But I thought you wanted to hear my songs, so I said I'd come right back. Bucky, you were tricked. Ellery just said that to get you to leave so he could raid the kitchen. Right, Ellery?
I did make a wish to be alone in the Buttercup, but then it was so lonely. So I came here, and I don't even want any food.
You might as well have a slice of pie.
Come on, my furry friend. I don't have all night. Let's hear a song.
Okay. Wishing on some stars all night long.